The goal of search and rescue has always remained the same: find those in need of help and retrieve them. The title spells it out. However, the methods and techniques are evolving. Traditional techniques for search and rescue require large groups of people and hours of walking in a line to comb an area for a lost individual. These basic techniques are in need of revitalization. With the advent of small, affordable, unmanned aircraft, the benefits of utilizing them as a tool in search and rescue have become clear. We believe we have found the ideal aircraft for the job: the Skyfront Perimeter drone, a hybrid gas-electric UAS that can fly for over 4 hours, which is extremely necessary for search and rescue. The Skyfront can offer a search team 4 unique advantages in rescue operations. Coming in at only 25 pounds, the weight allows for the aircraft to be carried and launched on site in less than 5 minutes. Search and rescue helicopter or spotter aircraft, which will have to take off somewhere else and spend a portion of its time flying to the area. This wastes valuable time and even more valuable element of fuel. When minutes can mean the difference between life and death, the ability to be carried and launched on site makes this small UAS an invaluable search and rescue tool. Once deployed on site, the unmanned aircraft is capable of traversing impassable terrain or obstacles. The UAS then eliminates the need to send in a scouting party and can ascend or descend the cliff in seconds, offering the team a quick analysis of the situation and possibly dropping off emergency supplies to the victim. A flight range of 110 miles, the Skyfront has the possibility to scan the search area multiple times. The aircraft will be capable of providing a potential rescue team with the GPS location of any located victims, as well as offering the team vital information about the condition of each individual. Perhaps the most enticing factor for incorporating the perimeter drone into search and rescue operations is the operational cost. Traditional manned aircraft have been an integral part of many forms of search and rescue operations throughout the world. They have certainly proven their worth to a point. However, rising costs of aviation fuel and maintenance means that running these aircraft also runs an expensive bill. The Skyfront utilizes a hybrid source of power, which will reduce the fuel cost to near negligible. Couple that with low maintenance costs and with electrical systems and motors, the total operational cost of a UAS versus a traditional manned aircraft is significantly lower, all while retaining the capability of carrying analogous search and rescue payloads that a helicopter might carry. For example, an infrared camera. The end goal of search and rescue operations is and has always been to find and save people in need of rescue. The advantages come together to help improve the chances of rescuing victims. Low operating costs mean multiple aircraft carrying IR payloads can comb the areas in adverse conditions within day or night, utilizing every precious second in a rescue operation. The need to assemble large teams to walk a line through the woods can now be replaced with 2 or 3 UAS searching the area at a much higher speed. These advantages of the small UAS will make operations more cost-effective, will improve rescue rates, and ultimately help save lives. We hope you consider our proposal for the procurement of the Skyfront Perimeter.